Earl on the beat, Earl on the beat, Earl on the beat, Earl on the beat.
Running up bands, got my guap. All the bad hoes wanna top us. Too many wild parties on the yacht. Me and Bo got kicked out the yacht.
Air it out. Pull up at your spot and I air it out. Gang on the gas and it's very loud. Stop saying my name before you wear it out.
I've been sipping lean, tryna slow me down. I need me a bitch that'll hold me down. Gang coming strong, yeah, we rollin' out. Throw a party like rollin' loud.
Don't come unless you send focus soldiers like tenfold. Sent your bitch the info. Feeling real blessed with juice, that's my kinfolk.
Bless up, she tell me I'm a god, get on her knees for confession.
Said the vid to a nigga, had to teach a lesson.
Me and Bo only want bad hoes in our section.
Juice, why these pussy ass niggas always pressing?
I don't know, let them talk, I'ma go get my Smith & Wesson.
Blessed boys under 21, steady flexing. I'm getting too rich, can't do flights with connections.
40 on my hip, I won't fight, bitch, I'm reckless. Codeine without silk, that shit coming straight from Texas.
Reach for my chain, you'll get beat just like Nexus.
Lamborghini dreams, but you still drive a Lexus.
I'm a young king, I might fuck Alexis, Texas.
But I ain't on no Drake shit, I won't get her pregnant.
Damn, young Juice WRLD, boy, you reckless. And I feel you until I get her naked. When I get up in it, I might have to stay in.
Well, if she going like that, let's run a train then.
I think I nutted in her, I might need a playpen and a stroller. How I get this deep, we rode her like a rover.
No games, but I Xbox controller. She do the gang like a nerd doing homework. 40 in my pants, that bitch thought it was a boner. If I go broke, I'ma jug off Motorola. But now I'm up in France, Lil Bo, that's my mans. We get the green and then we fly around like Peter Pan.
That's cool, but I just thought about some way.
What?
This baby got your face, so fuck that little baby boys. Back to the place, back to the trap, back to the gang.
Running up bands, got my guap. All the bad hoes wanna top us. Too many wild parties on the yacht. Me and Bo got kicked out the yacht.
This shit gonna be alright. Shit hard.